So we are going to do the test ride of Ather 450X now. So right now it is in reverse mode. To make it in normal mode, we just need to place like that. Now it is in eco mode. So during our test ride, we will check the eco mode and the ride mode, sports mode, and the trap mode. So let's start with the eco mode now. You'll see a small sound. You can see a small sound. I think it's on the belt drive. While riding, you will hear that noise. Where you can go this side? Straight. The good thing is the visibility. The dashboard visibility is very bright. Irrespective of the lighting conditions, irrespective of the sunlight conditions, you will see the display is very bright, and you can adjust the brightness also. You can see this. You can hear there are the options for brightness. See, it is in full brightness. You can check that the brightness is. Yeah. We'll check the speed of 50x in the eco mode now. I think in the eco mode it's touching up to 36, 37, up to 40 kps. So now if you want to change the mode the second mode, while accelerating you can't change the mode, you need to stop the acceleration, then you need to change the second button, then you go into ride zone. In the ride mode, you are going up to 55 kph. I think around 60 kph we can hit. So I'm reminding you again. I am riding with a pillion. Me and the pillion is there. So again I'm going to sports mode. In sports mode, you can get a top speed of up to 80 kph. Especially the pickup levels are great, and the footboard comfort levels are good. So any kind of height level people also they will feel comfort when riding on this electric scooter. But the only thing is you will hear some noise, and it is happening especially due to the belt drive motor. So actually the sound is manually enabled from the company itself. So we will go on an incline road now. So let's change the mode to wrap mode. So this is the high speed mode in Ather 450X. See the braking action. I don't know. Actually, the rear braking is faster, but the front braking, I think they should be tighter. I think so many people are test ride this vehicle, that's the reason. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.